going to be a not so formal gathering of so many social sector professionals, professionals from CSR, profession from sustainability domain, professionals who are social entrepreneurs trying to connect dots. The larger purpose is to be able to meet sustainable development goals. Whatever you say, whatever cause you pick up, it's somewhere defined in those larger goals. And Coffee for Cause started in 2014 to get all those people who are doing some good work in the same room and have conversations and coffee together. Something might happen. That's what they say, no?
A lot can happen.
A lot can happen over coffee, you know. And then if you have people who are already doing a lot, and then when you bring them in the room and have conversations on particular subjects or just throw a topic and you ask their perspectives on that and then create stories out of that, keep the community alive and keep sharing those stories with the community, a lot more can happen. This is what the agenda is, no? The story, the purpose, the coffee, the conversations, the cause and the context.
The cause that's really close to your heart and one cause that we added, sustainable consumption.
Sustainable consumption for me is just thinking about what resources you're using, ensuring that there's enough for future generations.
When I started working with the local communities that are sharing the space with wildlife, it made me realize how horribly unsustainable my own life is. But there are people living in some areas that do not have access to electricity, forget about having 24 hours electricity.
Professionally or personally, पानी मेरा फेवरेट है. That's where I really want to work. अगर मैं अभी भी बात कर रहा हूँ, अगर कोई नल चालू होगा तो I'll just go and close that. So that's how my mind has been trained in 20 years.
For me, my personal cause is actually, it has become waste management. You know, a lot of visits to landfills and material recovery facilities around the country helped me realize, you know, what it truly means. And I think every citizen, regardless of age, at some point should visit material recovery facilities, landfills, to truly understand the impact we're having on the planet.
What we learned was the core values at school, and then what our family taught us, and to give back is something which I always felt was part of my DNA from my mother, who was a teacher in those days in Sindh. I think this is where I believe in learning, unlearning and relearning. I am a student all my life.
I look at sustainability from two lenses, the personal and the public. Personal sustainability to me comes from an active practice of minimalism. It's hard, but I'm trying. I'm also keen on looking at sustainability from the public lens in terms of how can we enable policies to be made that actually encourage large-scale sustainability and build policy infrastructure which can enable others to do the good work they are doing and really amplify it.
As an individual, what I simply believe is in kind of reducing my consumption, but most importantly, thinking about every consumption. I think if you think before you do, before you act, then everything is possible.
पर्सनल सस्टेनेबिलिटी एस्पेक्ट के लिए काफ़ी हद तक इस तरह से कंजम्पशन कम कर दिया, चाहे वो खाने के अंदर हो, अनसस्टेनेबल खाना हो, या फिर चीज़ें हमें वांट के लिए चाहिए या नीड के लिए चाहिए, उसके ऊपर हमेशा क्वेश्चन रखना.
My passion is working with people and helping them become aware of how they can manage their mental health, because I believe that everything that happens to us happens from whatever is happening within.
For me, sustainability is about business growth, but something which is helpful to the entire community and for the environment too.
I can take the liberty today on behalf of everybody to congratulate you for coming up with a format which is so refreshingly different. As you said, no webinar, no gyan, just sharing. So that's the first thanks on behalf of everybody. And I would also like to thank the artist over there who has been capturing things. So, Auju again, and hope to see the next edition and more and more.